Hello and welcome to another Marvelous Toys toy review. Today we have Playskool heroes Hulk and Loki, and we're going to be opening up this brand new Spider-Man and Gator bot, Robot Gator. Wait, let's try that again. Spider-Man and Gator bot, Robot Gator, Robot Gaiman, Robo Hakere, Chakare. Yes, anyways, so this is new on the shelves. There was only one there, and I was able to pick it up. So excited to open this up. Kids, stay tuned. We will have a little story here, and after we open this up, we'll take a look at the toy, and then we'll have a stop motion special Playskool Adventures episode. So let's do this. Well, let's start with Hulk and Loki. Knocked me out! Oh, did I rip his cape? No. Alright, so here we got Loki. Now that looks pretty cool. The detail on him is pretty awesome with his helmet. I didn't know he had this thing back here, but he does. He's got his cool shoulder pads, bendable. His arms, of course he's got his arms. And he's got a cape. No villain is complete without a cape. Yes, so as Thor's adversary, we now have Loki to add to our Playskool Adventures episodes. Kids, if you haven't already seen, we've got an ongoing Playskool series that we like to call Playskool Adventures, where we do awesome stop motion stories with these figures here. So be sure to check out those videos and look them up, check them out. Let us know what you think. Give us likes, comments, subscribe. Well, who would you like to see in Playskool Adventures? Now, Hulk, I think everyone should be with me on this, but we all probably have a million Hulks. But that's cool, because this guy right here, I will paint him red, and we can transform him to the Red Hulk. And Hulk has yet to make an appearance in our Playskool Adventures. Would you guys like to see a Playskool Adventures episode with the Hulk? Let us know in the comments below. Alright, now let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's get to Spider-Man and Gator bot. So, this is what the package looks like. Let's see some of the features. So, you can press down right here for chomping action. Ooh, he has a gator tongue. Did I see? He doesn't have a gator tongue there, though. But he has a robotic tongue there. Interesting. But I see the tongue under that. We'll find out. Spider-Man, let's see. Pretend to help Spider-Man defeat Marvel's Lizard and his GatorBot vehicle. And let's see, you can press his tongue to defeat the villain. Alright. Let's unwrap. Alright, so here we go. It comes with the lizard, which is great because we did not have him as part of our Playskool Adventures cast. So that's a new figure for us, and the figure looks really cool. I know this figure's been around for a bit. It's got a dirty lab coat. But overall, great figure. Like him. I like him a lot. We got another Spider-Man, which, here we go, he's got a silver spider right there in the center. And yeah, just your typical Spidey. And comes with Gator bot gear. So, little backpack. I don't know how this helps him fight the lizard. Does this go on right? Looks a little big. Ooh. And then he comes with a pair of boots. He's got some big feet. Look at those little clown shoes. Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go. Maybe it's for trudging in the swamp waters. But it's something extra, something to play with, something to figure out what to do. Is that even supposed to be? Can't go any other way. So bulky. So you can pick them up. Oops. Yeah, that's not the best combat gear there. We'll take it. And then now let's look at this Gator bot. Mouth opens and closes. Oh, he pushed down right there. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That's pretty cool. So he can be like, wah, wah. Ooh, got his Gator gear. Thing's useless anyways. Doesn't have a good bite to it. There we go. Ooh, that was close. Alright. So you just push down right there. And he bites. And he's biting on Spider-Man's fingers. Ow! His legs somewhat move. That's pretty cool. Don't need too much movement from that. His tail moves as well. So you can shake that thing. Shake that tail. And that's about it. Now, we put the lizard in here. Technically, I don't think the lizard really needs a bot to take care of Spider-Man. He's pretty powerful on his own. But hey, Spider-Man always prevails, so he's got to think of something different. And all Spidey Boy has to do is boop, womp. And he's defeated. His weakness is in his tongue. Psh. See that again. Psh. Psh. There we go. Psh. So that's cool. He ejects him out of there. It's kind of good. It's like, think about it like this. You can stop me if you dare. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, ah. Oh. Oh, that's gotta be a hard one, actually. That's a good weakness for a bot, is pushing his tongue. Because the only way you can do it is through his mouth. Alright, so stay tuned. We're gonna do a special stop-motion Playskool Adventures episode with Spidey Boy, our Spider-Man, boink, Spider-Man and Lizard, and
Spider-Man. Spider's here to track down some wizards. I'm happy that toys start giving us soon. This gear is kind of heavy for lizard hunting. I'm falling, but I can't get up. This is hard to catch the lizard with. First, I hear something. Oh, there's a giant wizard! Ah, he's eating my bear! Time to take you down.
Not today.
That hurt! He's got me by my pack! Smash!
Oh, this is so humiliating.
That was random. Your ticket, I don't want it. It's time to take you down. Oh man, you got a lizard breath.
Get down, Spider-Man.
Take this. Put me down. I'm back at ya. If I hit the lizard tongue, maybe the lizard will pop out. Whoa, it's scary, but it's a risk I have to take. One job is done for the amazing Spider-Man.
Thanks, kids, for watching another
Playskool
Adventures and a marvelous toy review.
Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe.
Yes, by clicking that little Hoopla Kids button right there, I finally figured out how to do it.
We're part of Poopy Kids.
No, Hoopla Kids.
No.
But click on the Hoopla Kids button right there.
No,
Click,
Poopy.
click subscribe.
No, Poopy.
And be sure to check out some of our other videos that we've suggested for you guys to watch. Yeah, that one.
Keep telling them.
Oh, yeah, that one. That Spider-Man one. The other one we did. And there is no Disney Sum Sum in this video, kids. No Disney Sum Sum.
There was a Spider-Man one in the other one.
Yeah, but not in this one.
No. And Jesus loves you.
Yes, he does.
Yes.
Yes.
Get his horn.